Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Learn. In this video, let's learn some facts of interest about birds. Which is the biggest bird? Ostrich. Which bird is the fastest? Falcon. Which bird is the smallest? Hummingbird. Which bird has the longest wingspan? Albatross. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird. Which is the national bird of India? Beautiful peacock. Which is the flightless bird? Kiwi. Which bird has the longest beak? Pelican. Which bird is the most intelligent? Crow. Which bird can swim the fastest? Penguin. Which bird can rotate its head and look behind? Owl. Which is the national bird of UAE? Falcon. Which was the messenger bird in the ancient times? Pigeon. Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich. How long does it take a bird to hatch its egg? 10 days to 30 days. Which is the highest flying bird in the world? Vulture. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.